my toilet has been leaking a lot lately, so it's been a while since I replaced the inner workings of the toilet. So I figured might as well just get the whole complete kit and just do it all in one go because you never know, maybe something else happens and other small replacements. So I just went with the Korky, which is the one that's originally in there, just a different design, but it's still Korky. And use the complete kit, and make sure you get the right size because usually it might be a 2 inch or a 3 inch. So just be sure to know which one you're getting is the correct one, and you can tell by just by either measuring it. All right, if you have a good eye for the look of what your flapper looks like, you can tell what size it would need to be. We have opened it to see what was inside, and it also came with instructions on how to install it in case you are beginning or just need a refresher. It comes with very easy to install instructions, and unless you know what you need ahead of time, like a bucket, pencil, ruler, adjustable wrench, slip joint pliers, and maybe a towel, and then it gives you the required things you need, like bolts, heck nuts, metal clips in here, metal washers, mounting nut, which is in here, and refill adjuster here, and rubber washers, and the tube. So everything included that we need.